Hi everyone, my name is Angad. Thanks for joining me as we go through what multi-factor authentication is and how it works with Microsoft 365. Multi-factor authentication is a method to provide extra layer of security. So nowadays, passwords alone are not enough to prevent unauthorized access as hacking approach becomes more sophisticated. So to increase the level of security, a second factor or method of logging in can be added to the process to further verify you are the right person. This is called multi-factor authentication, or MFA for short. The most important benefit of using multi-factor authentication can be answered in one word, which is security. If you add extra validation to your logging request, it makes it harder for unauthenticated people to gain access to your systems. With multi-factor authentication for Office 365, users are required to acknowledge a phone call, a text message, or an app notification on their smartphone. Only after the second authentication factor has been satisfied can a user sign in. And it is also recommended by Microsoft to implement multi-factor authentication to help protect your business data and resources, as no single step of authentication is strong enough to stand on its own in today's cybersecurity climate. The method which I am going to use to enroll an user for multi-factor authentication is through the Microsoft Authenticator application, which can be easily installed on the smartphone. If a user is using an iPhone, they can install this application by going into the App Store. For Android users, they can install this application by downloading it from the Google Play Store. I'm using my test environment, and you can see there is a user named Nicola Adams, and I'm going to use this user account to enroll it for multi-factor authentication. Go to the website, which is portal.office.com. I enter the user email address there, click on next, then I enter the password, and now I'm going to enroll this user using the Microsoft Authenticator application, which is already installed in my phone. I'll click on next, and then I have to scan this QR code. Done with the QR code, I'll click on next. Now it is giving me a push notification to either allow or deny the access. Do I approve the access? Click on next, click on done, and now I will change the user password. And we are done. Now, when this user next time log in to any of the Microsoft 365 resources like Outlook on the web, Teams on the web, or SharePoint Online, and many more, they will need to verify their identity. After correctly entering their password, the next step will be multi-factor authentication. So there we have it, Microsoft multi-factor authentication, a very important feature of Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Azure. Thank you.